like it. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be filming a room tour that a lot of you has been asking me to do. So come on in. So when you first walk into my room, you will see my study desk and chair. So I actually bought this chair and table from EasyBuy, and I'll put down in the description box later below, so you can buy it if you like. And as you can see, there's two drawers here. The first drawer, I will put in my wires, some of my batteries that I'll be using. And the second drawer will be for me to put in some of my study stuff. So right now, the table is actually quite cleaning because I'll be going exchange soon, so I don't study right now. Yeah. So if you look up, you will see a photo walls which I put all my friends and family photos that are memorable and some of the favorite quotes that inspire me, which one will be Let's Do What We Love and Do a Lot of It by Mark Jacob. So if you come to the middle part of the room, you will see me, and Mimi say hi.
Mimi say hi.
And also my bed frame that I actually customized from Malaysia, because there's similar ones in IKEA that you can actually purchase, but I thought that this is nicer. So if you come on down to the next part of my room, will be this part whereby I actually bought two racks to put some of my books that I already read, and also some decorations, and also a clock that is of marble shape. In the next part of my room will be something that I've been waiting for the longest of time to show you guys, and that's my dream wardrobe. Come on in. So when you first walk into the room, will be a display cabinet that have some of my bags that I will use. These are the smaller ones. The bigger ones are in the other rooms because I didn't manage to squeeze it in all to this room. Also, some of the glasses that I usually use to take some of the nice photos. Followed up by some really cute display that I've been collecting over the years. The fourth column will be some of the camera rolls that I used to use it to take nice photos, but I no longer use it anymore, so I just put it here as display. Ta-da! You can see over here that this is my first phone. It's called LG Ice Cream. And if you walk forward to the middle of this wardrobe, you can see that here there's some boxes for the watches and perfume. Also some of the dolls that I've been keeping. And this comb, if you know me well, I bring this everywhere I go because I like to curl my hair with this big comb. And at the bottom will be my dressing table that I prepare myself every day. As you can see, that there's transparent display here which I specially requested so I can put some of my dolls and photos over here. So here are my favorite brushes, perfumes, lipsticks. If you move on to this part of the room, you can see another place where I display my watches, accessories, and also optical specs. Some of the makeup that I usually use, so I put it here. It's easy to grab from my drawer. And the next part of the room will be most of my clothes that I hang here, so it's of color coordinated, and it's very eyes pleasing to see all the colors having it with tones. So here are most of my shirts and dresses of different shades. And if you move into here, if you come on down to see, here are all my shorts, my skirts, and over here, if you come over, you can actually see more dresses and of color combination as well. So you can see that I love black dresses the most because I have the most black dresses here. If you come on down here, you can see that here are most of my tops of color combination as well. So there's white tops, pink tops, and some yellow. The darker tones one are at the bottom, which is these. All are my tops. Also, at the last one will be, I guess you already know what. Here's the last part, which is my balcony. And if you want to see, it's still empty now. It's still empty now. And with this, we've come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this video just like Mimi do. Mimi, do you enjoy this video? Yes, Mimi enjoyed it too. So if you like, do like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.